Hi guys. So it's nighttime and I have to get it together. My room is a mess. My closet is a mess. When I show you guys, you're gonna be like, Helena. And I know. A couple weeks ago I said I was gonna get my life together. And honestly, I'm struggling. That's my nephew, don't mind him. So, I'm just struggling. I am such a disorganized person, and I'm really trying to change that this year because it's like I'm 30. I have to get it together. So, this week I made a schedule, and it just so happens that I'm super busy. So, I have 2 days of straight, continuous stuff to do. So, at night, I have to clean my room. I have to do all the extra stuff. Look at my nails. This is bad. So we're going to do all that tonight. We're going to do a little nighttime routine. You're going to help me get my life together. Oh, I'm in my PJs. All right. Let's do it. Let me show you guys the damage, okay? So this is my room. This is laundry to do, my to-go bag. Don't mind my Skittles. My dogs. Let's fix this. So yeah, I have bundles of hair. I have clothes, packages. Let's see. All this trash. All my coloring stuff. My other dog. All this is a mess. I watered all my plants in my bathtub, and all this is a mess. It's dirt. I know. I can't believe I'm living like this. Oh my God. And then the real kicker, my closet always gets like this. I try my best. I really do. And it's better than it was last time, but it's still not good. My wigs. Let's get a better angle of this. So yeah, and then my office space is also a mess. So it's it's not as bad as it was, right? But it's still not good. I'm gonna get a hold of this. I'm gonna get my life in order. This is the year. It's November, but this is the year I start really putting myself in a routine and a schedule, and everything in me is fighting against it, but we're doing it. We're doing this. Me at my big ass age. So let's get to it. Thank you for being here with me while I get my life together. I love you. Look at us. Fuck, I gotta do this now. Okay, let's go. Also, I just want to say, sometimes I'm putting my camera back down. Oh, my dogs scare me. Okay. Sometimes, doing your hair, changing it up, that will really change your life. I don't know how to explain it. I really don't know how to explain it. And I know my audience is mostly men. So, I definitely don't know how to explain it to you guys that, changing your hair up will really put stuff in motion. I feel more myself now than I ever have. And it's so crazy to say, all because I changed my hair. I feel like I can conquer the world. And I didn't even do that much. Let's conquer the world. Okay, let's clean my room. In reality, it's probably not going to take me that long. I feel like this stuff we put off Doesn't even take us that long. Like, it's not gonna take me that long. Let's time it, actually. Let's time it. Let's see how long it takes me if I full on lock in and clean my room and office. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I save all my little plastic bags like this and reuse them, and you should too, because reusing stuff is important. Look at these pretty earrings my friendly Myra made for me. She literally made these. How cool is that? I love them. Let's look under my bed. Oh my God. What are all these hair ties I just got? Oh. There's no reason for clothes to be in my bathtub. For real. Like, more hair ties. Whenever you're cleaning, here's a tip to wear a mask and gloves and open a window. They're finding studies that are saying that women especially are having too many chemicals in their body, in their lungs, and it's like scarring their lungs. So make sure you protect yourself. These are chemicals, and yeah. This is my boyfriend's side of the sink. I'm not gonna fully clean my tub and scrub it, but I am gonna just like rinse it with this daily shower cleaner just to like make it presentable. It'll just take too long and I am already getting tired. Okay, so I'm about to do my closet, but let's show you the progress that we have. And it's only been an hour and 16 minutes, and I spent like at least 20 minutes on TikTok, which is really bad. I'm trying to break my doom scroll habit, but you know, I set a timer and I stopped after two 10-minute intervals. Anyways, enough about me. Look at my room. Clean. Puppy's comfy. Yes. And already vibes are great. Clean. Shower. Ooh, I forgot the sponge. Okay. Shower clean. And let's get on this. I have to charge my phone, so I'm gonna charge it and just like get real active on this really quick. I'll be back. Okay, so we're back and I'm finally, oh, hold on. I'm not done. I forgot this lovely mess. Okay. So it's been an hour and 52 minutes and I feel like I've done a lot of work and it's pretty acceptable. So let me show you my closet. I do have laundry to do and this I have to put on my Poshmark, but we're overall good. My office. Hi, Maya. So all pretty clean. Honestly, my office wasn't that dirty. So yeah. Okay, so it only took me an hour and 52 minutes to clean my room, my bathroom, and my office. And I feel like if I just really focus, I can keep them clean for a while. I was on track, but let's get back on track. So I hope this inspires you to do something that you've been putting off doing. Even if you just give it like 10 minutes, you know, like just try and do something else. Just get off your phone. Be like, what do I need to do? What am I procrastinating? Make those doctor's appointments. Clean that room. Give your bathroom a deep clean. Organize that clutter drawer. I feel like the energy feels so much better now. And yeah, thanks for doing that with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, save, share, all that stuff. Bye.